me and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the VeeHive. I am V, and guys, welcome to my home. So today guys, I am participating in a 2021 collab, and the title of this collab is Fall Fireplace Decor Challenge, and it is hosted by Stephanie at Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie, and also Miss Debbie Bubbles. So guys, this was so simple and so easy. The only thing you had to do was decorate your fireplace. And I love when there is a twist. And this twist, guys, it had to show an acorn. So guys, let's get into what my fireplace looked like and onto the video.
I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's how I know it's right. But you won't feel the pain alone. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Goodbye, so long, my dear love.
So guys, this is our fireplace in our living room, guys. And this year was the first year that I really put a lot of emphasis into the burnt orange and the reds and the greens. But my fireplace came out absolutely beautiful. I highly enjoy looking at it. Just in case, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown where some things came from. All of my fall leaves came from Carolina Pottery. You see these, basically, year round because you know the theme color of my downstairs. But this came from Ashley Furniture. The pumpkin I had from last year, year before, and it came from the Dollar Tree. And my new addition of my squirrel with holding that acorn came from, if I'm not mistaken, I picked that squirrel up from Marshall's. So I think that's where I did pick it up. This orange, I just happened to find it in my fall bag. Where it came from, I absolutely don't know. These 3 pieces I picked up from the at-home store. They were white. I wanted a matte black, so it came out beautiful. And guys, my bow, I have a place that I always get my bows from, and that is Carolina Pottery. So this bow was made by the Carolina Pottery team. And of course, if you saw my last video, it was my first video for the fall, and that was my lantern, and that was with Kenya. So that is my lantern setup. The leaves down there also came from Carolina Pottery. So guys, this is our fireplace in our home, and to the 2 beautiful ladies, Stephanie and Debbie, thank you so much for this collab, because now I have another space in my home, totally done for fall. And as I'm recording this, guys, today is the first day of 2021 fall day. So today is the 22nd, so it's the first day of fall. But of course, you will see this video on the 24th, so we'll be celebrating the 2nd day in fall. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend of a friend that we're doing the fall thing now, and I would love to share my ideas that I do in my home with you and others. So guys, you know what I would say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys, bye.
I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. My dear love, love is forgotten, so I had to move. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. Yeah, yeah, we did our best until the very end. But goodbye, so long, my dear love.